Welcome back once again. Today we have practical demonstration on Dataframe. This is purely practical session which we have learned so far in previous lesson. We will cover following topics: creating data frame using dictionary, using series list, then perform operations like selecting columns, adding column, deleting column, display data row wise, column wise, then use of head and tail function. Finally, import and export data to and fro CSV file. So let us begin without wasting of time. First of all, start your Jupyter notebook in Python. Now creating data frame using dictionary. So for the saving of time, I already typed this program for the demonstration and I will explain you one by one. Okay, so let us start. Just I'm pasting this program here. Creating data frame using dictionary. Okay, first of all, import pandas in our program, the panda library, with the help of import function pd. It will the panda object after imported, and then you can run the pandas command using pd. Okay, so we have created a dictionary roll in which column have roll number, name and marks. Here we have dictionary, and it will create it will enable to create us a data frame. Data frame, tabular data that have row and columns. Okay, in this dictionary it will create three columns, that is roll number, name and marks. The data frame command is used, data frame command function is used to create data frame. Okay, so here we are creating data frame using dictionary, and this just runs this program. First time running it will take some time because of the starting of some libraries in our program. It will take few seconds, maybe some time, minute. That's it. It's done. Okay. If I use the same thing with the help of print statement, with the help of print statement, then the output will be in this manner. This is the difference between directly showing data frame on a screen or printing statement. Okay, so here three columns, roll number, name and marks, and is of our data. So in this manner you can create data frame using dictionary. Okay, now let us begin our next program, that is creating data frame using series. Okay, so just copy this program and paste in it. Here see, import pandas as pd. This is the incorporating library in our program, panda library in our program. Then we have created a series one that store the name of games. Okay, as your hobbies. This is soccer, volleyball, music, dance, etc. Our index, we have given the name of the student in index. Okay, and second series, we stored the marks, then same index, that we have in previous series. Okay, then after these two series, we have created a dictionary that combined both of the series, hobby and marks. So in you see, in first step import pandas, then make two series, hobby and marks, then combine these two series in dictionary, then finally create data frame using dictionary. This is the step. Okay, I hope you understand it. Just run it. That's it. So this is our output of this program. Okay, here the Aman, Anis, Sonu, Probin. This is index. This is index. Yeah, these are indexes. Okay, here our name hobbies. These are hobbies. Here marks. These are marks. In this manner, you can create data frame using our series. Next, data frame using list. In same manner of series, you can create data frame using dictionary also, using list also. We have to list 1 and list 2. For example, in list 1, we are storing index, name, age and city, and in list 2, I am storing a record. This is just for a single record. Okay, just then combined these two lists into a series. Then after series you can create data frame. Okay, in this manner you can create data frame using a list. Okay, now next, creating data frame using list of dictionaries. Creating data frame using list of dictionaries. In this program, you see we have combined three dictionaries in a single list. Three dictionary in a single list. Then using list you can create data frame. Okay. So here import pandas, then create a list of dictionary. here देखिए एक डिक्शनरी ये है जिसके अंदर उमेद और अली स्टोर है, दूसरी डिक्शनरी अजय कुमार और तीसरी डिक्शनरी मधुर कौर. These three dictionaries. Okay, and combined in a square bracket, that is list. Okay, after creating this dictionary we can create data frame using this command pt.dataframe, and we have passed the parameter as a list. Okay, just run it. This is creating data frame using list of dictionary. अगर इसको प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट को अपन हटा दें, it will display nice. Okay, just like in Excel. Okay, let us have another program. Let us see. In this program we will see the data frame record in horizontal subset of rows. Horizontal subset of rows. In this, at first create a list of list. Then we can print it. Then one by one row you can print this is a function is you draw iterative of raw index here, index s1, s2, s3. Okay, or columns, you can see the column. Here we are printing the row according to the row index. Okay, content in row. Okay, so one by one row will store in row and we will print this row with the help of print command. Let us run this program. ये हमारे पास तीन रो है S1, S2 and S3. The data is stored. Now we will display in horizontal subset. Okay, name, student name, gender, accountancy में कितने marks है, business study में कितने, और IP, such like that in second student and third student. This is horizontal subset of displaying data of row. Okay, let us have another example, that is viewing data frame as vertical subset. अभी horizontal subset देखा था आपने, अब कॉलम के हिसाब से इसको देखिए. ठीक है, तो वही सेम हमने डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट किया जो पिछली बार लिया था. इसके अंदर रो के बजाय हम इस बार क्या कर रहे हैं, कॉलम ले रहे हैं. रो के बजाय क्या डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं, कॉलम डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं. रन इट and you can see the difference. ओके, अलग अलग कॉलम के हिसाब से डेटा इसने शो किया, यानी 1 2 3 का ये, फिर बाद के अंदर ये, फिर ये एक एक कॉलम आप देख रहे हैं डिस्प्ले हो रहा. दिस इज डिस्प्लेइंग ऑफ कॉलम सबसेट. ओके, now let us take selecting column. Sometime we require selecting particular column and we want to display on particular column data on the screen. Okay, so here the list of dictionaries, then we create data frame using this command. Then at first we have display the data on the screen, create a data frame. Then we print first name separately and last name separately. Let us run. Here our complete data frame, okay, in which shows first name and last name, and then it is showing first name, then it is showing last name. Okay, so in this manner you can select the column in data frame. Now next program is adding column in data frame. Let us see how to add column in data frame. There are several methods adding column in data frame. Here first of all we create a df data frame that is store only marks and its grade. Okay, index, excellent, very good, good, average. Then with the help of first method we store result, and result we can display. We are adding a column that contains pass, 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 fail. Here the average is fail. And in second manner you can also use location function, loc function, in which you can add a particular column, that is name and name of students, Pat, Tom, Sid, Ram, such like that. So you can add column in this manner also. The third method, only assign. df dot assign, then column name, and just give name of father in the form of list. Okay, then finally display the data frame. So just run this program. At first we have only two columns, that is marks and grade, and these are the index. Okay, and then using first method we have added only one column, that is result. Using second method we have added one more column, that is student. Using third method we have add another one column, that is father. Okay, so this is your program, and we have shown three method for adding columns and data frame. Do practice yourself, and you can create your own data frame, and you can create your own column likewise. Okay, let us move to our next program, that is deleting column. Like adding column, we have also two or three method for deleting column also. I am displaying the simplest method, that is using del command. In this method just simply use del command, then name of data frame, and in square bracket give the name of column which you want to delete. Okay, so here we have two columns, that is marks and grade, and that is store marks and grade in data frame. At first it will display the whole data frame, then it will delete the column grade A B C D, and then we will display the final result after deleting data frames column, that will show only one column, that is marks. So let us have a look on a output. So at first we have created this data frame, that is store two columns marks and grade. Then we use del command for deleting grade. Then after deleting, just we have print data frame that shows only one column, that means the column grade had been removed from the data frame. Okay, let us move on the next program. Use of head and tail function. Use of head and tail function. Head function is used to display top rows, and tail function is used to display bottom rows from a data frame. By default, don't pass any value, if you don't pass any value to head and tail function, then it will show 5 rows at a time. Okay, if you use head function, then it will show top 5 rows. If you use tail function, that it will show bottom 5 rows. Okay, अब here we have only 3 rows, है ना? And we want to display accordingly. So in our first head function we pass the parameter 2, that will show top 2 rows, and then in tail we pass parameter 2, that will show only the bottom 2 rows. Okay, तो हमारे पास ये डेटा फ्रेम है जिसमें 3 रो है, इसमें से पहले वाले फंक्शन के द्वारा 2 ऊपर की रो, फिर तो नीचे की रो आपको डिस्प्ले होगी. Let us have a look. We have 3 row x, y and z. ठीक है. And with the help of head function, you see the displaying x and y, and with the help of tail function, it is displaying y and z. Okay, top and bottom. ठीक है. In this manner, you can use the head and tail function. Okay. Move next program. Our next program is exporting data from Dataframe to CSV file. I have a data frame named D that contains 3 names, first name and last name, Umaid Ali, Ajay Kumar or Mathur Kaur, and I am exporting this data into a particular CSV file. You can give your name. You can also give myfile.csv. I am giving this name. Just I am running this program. Okay. In our data frame, that is D, contain 3 record, Umaid Ali, Ajay Kumar and Mathur Kaur, and these 3 record exported into CSV file with the help of df.tocsv. Here see the path where the file is exported. In E drive, my Python folder or file name is my file. So let us see. ये आपका मैंने फोल्डर खोला और इसके अंदर ई ड्राइव खोला. ई ड्राइव के अंदर माई पाइथन, एंड माई पाइथन के अंदर माई फाइल. just I am opening this file and it will open in Excel by default. Okay, it will open in Excel, so you can see it, these 3 record available in Excel. Okay, so this was our data frame. Okay, now move to the next program, that is importing data frame into Python program. Okay, let us see CSV file to Python program. Just we have created a my file. I am reading this my file from the same location and I am running this. Okay, you have not seen any kind of data right now on the screen. It will read from E drive my Python folder which contained myfile.csv. Okay, just run it. You can see it, the output of your program. Okay, these data read from, import from CSV file, that is myfile.csv. So I hope you understand this program well. I am also providing the list of program along with Word document in Google Classroom. So write down in your practical file. Have a nice day.